Now I explain the conduction part of the measurement of breakdown strength of transformer oil using transformer oil test kit as per IS standard 1876-2005. What is the standard 1876-2005 is nothing but the measurement of the voltage, that means high voltage between the gap. Okay, now you see this is the control panel. This is the relay unit indicating lamp. This is the high tension limit indicating lamp. This is the memory push button. What is the use of this one and all? You can suppose that means we never listen this what the voltage, the breakdown voltage means. You can press this button means automatically we can know about the voltage measurement. This is the variable transformer. The function is similar to auto transformer. The range is 0 volt to 270 volt. The kit total is nothing but 0 to 60 kV oil test kit only. So this is the high tension on indicating lamp. This is the high tension off indicating lamp. This is the high tension push button switch. This is the toggle switch for mains on. This is the fuse. This is the main on indicating lamp. This is the test cell. You can see test cell and all in between spear shaped two electrode is there. The in between gap how to you can adjust means inside only you can here only you can adjust. Okay, so this is the top, that means kit of this test cell only. The for gap measurement, this is the 4 centimeter. Okay, gap. Then this is the 3 centimeter. So you can this is and all you can fix in between the spear gap of the two electrodes. Okay, now you can adjust this spear and all. You can after that this is even measured by using this scale. You can know what is the spear gap between the two electrodes. And then this is the high voltage transformer. So here this is the primary winding, secondary winding. So in between, that means what is the bushing, top bushing is there. This is these two lead, that means for fixing the test cell only. Okay, so before you have to switch on this test kit, you have to wear the rubber gloves. So the maximum voltage capable is here you see 11 kV volt only we are. Then you can close this only, you can properly you can close fixing this test cell. Okay, then you can fix inside this one. Okay, so you can fix. Okay, now you can close the door only. Close the door. After that you can switch on the power supply. Then you can switch on the main switch. Now you see the auto transformer is in the 0 position. So therefore the high tension off indicating lamp also glowing, and then main also glowing. The test also is ready for experiment. Suppose the auto transformer is not in the 0 position means automatically the unit ready indicating lamp is switched off. Okay, now this is the proper position. This is the first safety precaution. Then you can switch, you can press the high tension push button. Okay, now that means this high tension off indicating lamp that is switched off, but high tension on, this is the glowing only. So now you can vary the auto transformer, okay, without gap. So the brake breakdown occurs between the two electrode gap. So now how can you show me? You can press this memory bush button. So here 0, 20. So that means 24 is the kV. 24 kV is the breakdown voltage. Then the spark and all, how can once again I show him and all. Now you see the spark, that means occurs in between the two electrodes. This is the conduction part of the breakdown strength of the transformer oil.